Hey guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Ecotourism is a type of responsible travel that focuses on visiting natural areas to conserve the environment, support local communities, and promote sustainability. It emphasizes minimal impact on the environment, respect for wildlife, and cultural sensitivity. The goal is to educate travelers about the importance of preserving natural resources and biodiversity, while contributing economically to local communities through tourism that is environmentally and socially responsible. Good morning, Ilocos! So, we're here at...
Bantay Church!
Saan ang gagawin natin dito, di ba? Simba.
Church tayo guys!
Church tayo.
of the day.
So, first destination ba to?
Yes! Day one.
Hindi yung first destination natin, yung yung pinunta natin kanina, yung stopover. First stopover ba yan? Sorry.
Bantay Church. The church established in 1590 stands to this day as one of the oldest churches in the Ilocos region. The original structure was significantly damaged during the wars, but rebuilt in 1950s. This design helps to prevent the church from damage caused by earthquakes, and the new structure is made out of bricks and limestones.
Ano pa siya, ayan? Look,
Yung new
sobrang ganda.
Bantay Church. No, it's not new. The reason why may scaffolding yan because Bantay had experienced a 7.0 magnitude of earthquake on July 27,
It's because of earthquake.
2022. So, kaya may mga ganyan yan.
Bantay Bell Tower. Bantay Bell Tower is one of the top heritage tourist destinations in Ilocos. It is dedicated to St. Augustine, but because of the damage caused by the earthquake, no tourists are allowed on the premises.
Ayun, church.
Ito yung church. Nasa likod namin.
Ito pa,
Tapos,
adjust.
nandito naman sa kabila yung Bell Tower.
Nasaan?
Ang dami ng tao doon. So, hindi na kami makikisiksik doon.
Tama, kasi ang dami ng tao.
Sa una dito.
Okay, let's go.
Let's proceed to Plaza Salcedo. Plaza Salcedo was named after Juan de Salcedo, a Spanish conquistador. This beautiful plaza is right next to the iconic Vigan Cathedral. At its center, you'll find the stunning obelisk in honor of Salcedo himself. And just a short walk away, we have the Plaza Burgos. This plaza is dedicated to Father Jose Burgos, a Filipino priest and a martyr. It is a great place to learn more about his legacy and the struggle for Filipino rights during the Spanish era.
Hello, mabuhay! Nandito kami ngayon sa Baluarte ni...
Chavez Simpson!
Hey! Pag lalaki daw ang color ng ostrich is male.
Kayo po nito.
Hey! So we're here at...
Goldenham! So, hi everyone! We're here at Safari Gallery and today, samahan nyo kami explore ang dakandahan ng loob ng gallery na to. So, tara! Tara!
Baluarte ni Chavez Singson, Vigan City. It is owned by the former governor of Ilocos Sur. Baluarte ni Chavez housing over 1,000 animals like lions and tigers. While exploring the beauty of the zoo, we can also see the golden house of Chavez Singson, and in the top of the zoo, we will also able to see the Safari Gallery.
So hello, I am back and ako na lang mag-isa na pumunta rito sa third destination namin kasi kung makikita nyo sobrang init talaga sobra dito sa Ilocos. Papasukin natin yung loob nitong Paway Church or San Agustin Church dito sa Ilocos. So, let's go!
Paway Church, Ilocos Norte. St. Augustine Parish Church, or commonly known as Paway Church. The architectural design is earthquake baroque for a strong foundation to avoid earthquakes. The design in the back of the church is like the hips of a woman.
Hey guys, we're back and we're here at the Malacanang of the North.
Malacanang of the North, Ilocos Norte. Malacanang of the North, also known as Malacanang Tiamyanan, is a two-story mansion situated on a 5-hectare estate built in 1977 for the late President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and his family. It served as their official residence when in Ilocos Norte. The property features elegant architectural elements and now functions as a museum, allowing the public to view historical displays, original furnishings, and memorabilia from the Marcos era.
So ayun na nga, nandito kami sa aming last destination, ang
Sandun!
Ano mangyayari dito sa Sandun?
Sasakay tayo sa...
At ayan ang mga sasakyan namin, let's go!
Lawag Sand Dunes, Ilocos Norte. The La Paz Sand Dunes in Lawag City with the 85 square kilometer, protected by the sandy coastal desert and is nearby the West Philippine Sea. The area is also popular for recreational activities like 4x4 and sandboarding.
Hi everyone! This is our day 2 of being Turista!
Hi guys, we're back and we're here at Bangi!
Bangi Windmill, Ilocos Norte. Also known as the Bangi Wind Farm, that the windmill supply over 40% of the electricity of Ilocos. Each windmill is 70 meter or 230 feet tall, it facing the South China Sea that is located at Pagudpud, also where the tourists can buy an affordable souvenirs. The windmills in Bangi Wind Farm are known as wind turbine, but the Ilocos commonly called it as windmills.
Hi guys, we're back and we're here at Kapurpurawan Rock Formation. And this is our last destination for today, and this is our day 2 of being Turista!
The Kapurpurawan Rock Formation, Ilocos Norte. The Kapurpurawan Rock Formation is located in the rocky coast of Burgos, Ilocos Norte. It is known for its creamy white and streamlined limestone formation, which have been sculpted by different oceanic and weather forces. Burgos is located on the northwestern tip of Ilocos Norte.
Hi guys! It's our last day of our tour and we're here at Hidden Garden! So ano nga ba mga gagawin natin dito?
Andito kami para matutunan namin kung paano gumawa ng Ilocos Empanada.
Uy, may empanada oh!
Wow! Ganun.
Garden Vegan, Ilocos Sur. The Hidden Garden of Vegan, despite the name, is not really hidden. It is found in the heart of Vegan City and is frequented by locals and tourists alike. Hidden Garden is also a place where nature, history, and food meet. It is also a place of love.
Hi guys! So, ito na ang huling destination namin dito sa Ilocos, which is yung sikat na kalye.
Crisologo!
Eh, kaya tara, libutin natin ang buong kalye Crisologo. Let's go! Eh, sabihin nyo, King Kuru.
King Kuru!
Yan, very good.
Now, let's proceed to Cali Crisologo. Cali Crisologo is located in Vegan City. It is UNESCO's World Heritage Site, and it is one of the best preserved heritage streets in the Philippines. This historical street showcases cobblestone roads and ancestral homes dating back to the 19th century and the Spanish colonial era. Cali Crisologo is named after the Ilocano poet, writer, and playwright Governor Marcelino Mena Crisologo, to honor his contribution to the region and to highlight the cultural significance of the street in the
Hello
Vegan
po!
City.
Ano pong pangalan nyo?
Mahaba yung pangalan ko pero for shortcut na lang Tintin na lang.
Okay po. Ate Tintin, so... Kasi napansin ko na ang daming bumibili sa inyo ng bagnet. Sobrang daming bumibili ng bagnet sa inyo, no?
Pag maganitong ano sir,
Oo.
talagang tatagsa.
So, anong sekreto nyo sa bagnet nyo? Bakit
pinipilahan talaga kayo?
Ay, actually yung bagnet namin po, talagang mahaba po talagang proseso din. Kaya maganda po talaga yung itsura niya. Hindi po talaga siya sunog, tsaka tama lang yung ano niya. Alam, lutong-luto po talaga siya.
Tsaka sa sobrang dami na nagtitinda ng bagnet dito, kayo talagang pinupuntahan.
Opo.
Kahit yung mga longganisa nyo.
Opo,
So,
kasi
anong-
masarap po talaga.
talagang masarap,
Talagang
no?
subok na subok talaga yung
Ah.
manis. Kaya marami po bumabalik po sa amin. Kasi natitikman po nila kung gaano po kasarap.
So,
Opo, talaga kasi naiinganyo po sila sa itsura ng bagnet. Kasi nga, kakaiba po sila sa iba.
kaya nga ako nga, napabili ako ng 2 kilong bagnet. Tapos 4 na pirasong longganisa.
Thank you.
Tsaka ang mura lang, no?
Oh, mura lang talaga, sir.
600 pesos, 1 kilo. Oo. Ang feeling ko masarap talaga siya. So,
Opo, talaga.
bigyan nyo nga ako ng konting idea po, ate. Kung kasi syempre malayo pa ako, taga Olonga po pa po kami. So, from vegan, from Ilocos to Olonga po, so dala-dala namin yung bagnet. Paano namin po iluluto yun para Apo.
Actually, pag ganyan kasi ibabiyahin nyo siya, lalambot talaga siya.
Okay.
Tapos, pag hindi nyo pa siya lulutuin, ilagay nyo muna sa freezer.
Opo.
Tapos, pag gusto nyo nang lutuin, sir, deep fry nyo lang po siya ulit. Chop muna siya, sir, bago nyo siya i-deep
Deep fry. So, ipi-freezer muna siya bago siya
Para
iluto.
masarap yun talaga yun.
Okay.
Lutong-lutong talaga, sir.
So, ayun.
Pwede rin air fryer po. Pwede rin.
Sige, Ate Tin. Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Hi guys!
Sabon check.
Good morning na! Time check. Time check.
12:42.
10:42 na.
Olonga po.
We arrived safe thanks to our driver and
The iba.
the prayers.
Thank you for exploring with us.
Thank you so much, guys.
the long po. And siguro kailan natin.
Siguro pwede bang bumalik? Extend tayo ulit?
See you next vlog.
Bye! Oh, yung bigla may umiiyak pag gabi.
Ay,
Nawawala yung gamit, no?
Good night, guys. Thank you.
Bye!
Make a difference with every trip. Support ecotourism initiatives that prioritize sustainability and community well-being. Together, we can create a more sustainable future for travel. Once again, we are BSTM1.
Everything is dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one is forever.